still a lot of open space out here. The event starts tomorrow. Right off of Keens Road is all kinds of space. I am now turning on to Mitchell Mine Road, where there is a lot more on the Skadden Wash that you can camp out on, get closer to the RTR. But as you can see, just off of Keens Road, coming back, there is just all kinds of space still. It will be getting packed in here very shortly. So I'm driving Mitchell Mine Road right now. I'm trying to find the location that I actually camped out for the past couple nights. I've been in 2 locations out here on the Skadden Wash. I did find one spot I do like, so I'm just trying to find the little turn into that part of the wash itself. So somewhere around here off Keens Road is all kinds of dispersed camping. There's a lot of people already out here, but there's still a lot of available space. The event doesn't start until tomorrow, so I do expect it's going to be getting packed in here pretty well. I think this is my turn up here. So I'm walking up Mitchell Mine Road, and I just saw my first ranger since I've been out here. So there is ranger activity here on the wash at the RTR event, just to give a heads up. I'm coming around the corner now where the road is. You can see there's a lot of people here already, you know, looking right behind me. But anyway, I'm gonna get up here and check it out. This is what you get to look forward to. If you get your permit and come down to the RTR section, there is little narrow dirt roads that swoop through here, through the washes. You can probably only get single file through here. If there's an emergency of any sort, it's going to get really crowded really quick. Anyway, I'm on my way up, it looks like, to the second section. I'm not sure what it's all sectioned out to, but you know, get a look inside here. So another little narrow road coming up to 6th Street. So I'm on my way back down to my camp. I just went up to the RTR event section. They have a stage and everything set up. Right now, though, the event doesn't start until tomorrow, so they're just doing kind of a teaching to volunteers or whatnot. Nothing really interesting going on. As you can see, there is a lot of people already crowded down into the site area. I'm now out on the outside of it, going back up Mitchell Mine Road towards my camp. But I mean, just tons of people are already out here, and it hasn't even started. So I have decided I am not going to camp out down there for safety concerns and just overcrowded for my taste. Anyway, we'll talk in a little bit. So I decided to stop and just get a quick video of the cactus that's out here. Those who aren't used to it, it can be entertaining. I think it's entertaining. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, desert life. So that was a look down at the RTR location. They have opened the road, so there's a lot of people that's already piled in there. I do expect it will be really packed in that location, but there's all the wash, you know, around it as well. You know, here at my camp, I'm kind of tucked back away from the road, but it's already kind of packed in here as well. But anyway, yeah, that was a look down at the RTR, and tomorrow the event starts, and I'm going to go ahead and head down there and see if I can catch some of the seminars. Now, unfortunately, I don't think I can do any recording of any of that, but I don't know, maybe something will happen, who knows. Anyway, I'm just going to go down and try to enjoy myself, enjoy some of the discussions, and see if I can meet some people. Anyway, we will talk tomorrow.